Guys, welcome back. Today, anybody watching this video can join Crash Alerts for completely free if you meet a couple simple requirements. So anybody, guys, and you can thank Bitget for this, anybody who sets up an account on Bitget and funds it with $1,000 is going to get 1 month free into Crash Alerts if you use the Crash Trading referral link down below this video. Okay, Bitget is going to keep track on the back end. Anyone and everyone who deposits over $1,000 on the Crash Trading link, anyone who does that, boom, you're getting yourself a free month into Crash Alerts. I'll show you exactly how to activate your 1 month. Okay, so once you've set up an account on Bitget, you funded it with $1,000, you need to find your user ID on Bitget. Okay, once you find your user ID on Bitget, you're going to need to come over to our Telegram bot, and you're going to need to find your user ID on our Telegram bot, Crash's Clay bot here on Telegram. Okay, don't fall for any scam bots out there. Okay, you can see the username of the bot right here. It's Crash's Clay bot. Take a picture if you need to. Okay, so once you get your user ID from Bitget, and you've obviously funded your account with $1,000, okay, so you get your user ID on Bitget. You get your user ID in the Crash Alerts Telegram bot here. Okay, this is the username on Telegram. So how do you find the user ID on the Telegram bot? You're going to go over here to My Membership Status, and you see this little user ID right here in the bottom left. This is your user ID in the Crash Alerts Telegram bot. So you're going to get this user ID right here, and you're going to get the user ID from your Bitget trading account that you funded with $1,000 using the Crash Trading VIP link down below. Once you get both of those user IDs, you're going to send that over to Crash Alerts support at protonmail.com. Okay, so this is the support email. So once again, you need the user ID from the Telegram bot. You also need the user ID from your Bitget trading account. Once you send that over to our support email, we're going to double check and verify that you've met the requirements, which is once again having $1,000 in your trading account using the Crash Trading VIP link. And then we're going to get you $200 in the Crash Alerts bot. Okay, so how do you use that $200? You're going to click this button right here, Join Crash Alerts, set up payment for alerts. Okay, and it's going to withdraw the $200 from your balance, and you're going to get yourself a free month inside of Crash Alert. So guys, literally anyone can take advantage today, and it costs you nothing besides putting $1,000 into a trading account here on Bitget. You're going to get a free month into Crash Alerts. If you're wanting to join, you get a free month. You know what to do now, right? Set up an account on Bitget, fund it with $1,000, send us your user ID on Bitget and the user ID in the Crash Alerts bot, send it to our support email, and we're going to get you a free month. So guys, take advantage, and thank you to Bitget for setting this up for you guys. It's pretty awesome. So that being said, we were waiting for 24.9 in Bitcoin as our big short entry. Okay, 24.9 to 26,200 is where I've predicted this top to be. We didn't reach that target, but I'm confident that within 9 days we will have reached the top. So whether the top is there or whether the top is in 9 days from there, which would be over here, by August 9th, okay? Like, I'm very confident that within this area we found the top. Okay, so give or take 9 days from where we are today, whether it's 9 days backwards or 9 days forwards, I believe we've set the top here. And, so much for everyone who was calling for 30K Bitcoin, guys. We couldn't even get above 25K. That was pathetic. And if that doesn't show you the weakness in the market, I don't know what will, because this is probably the weakest bear market bounce we've ever seen in the history of Bitcoin. Yet despite it being the weakest bounce in the history of Bitcoin, it was probably the bounce that got people more bullish than any bounce ever. Okay, it's pathetic, it's disgusting, and if you're not ready to short this shit down to 16K or lower, then I don't know what's going to make you ready. Okay, the time is now. Like I said, I believe it's within 9 days of today, whether that's 9 days back was the top or 9 days forward is the top. We are within the vicinity of it, and you can take advantage, guys. I'm super excited to take advantage of this next leg down. So literally, you have no excuse not to short this market down to hell. You can literally get a free month now into Crash Alerts. Anybody and everybody watching this video. Okay, so I'm telling you now, I believe we're within the top, give or take 9 days here. So if you want to take advantage, you know what to do. Okay, so thank you to Bitget, and thank you to me for being the best predictor in crypto, because here we go. I'm excited for the next leg down. The stock market, guys, the stock market is repeating a pattern that I've been waiting for here, and I'm going to show you what that is. Okay, so look at this. You had this big leg up right here. You had this big leg up right here. Okay, I want you to notice the topping structure, right? So see how you got this, little green candle going up. To me, that's this right here. Okay. Okay. Then you have 2 days down. Look at this, 2 days down. Then you bounce back up, and then you begin the descent, right? So 2 days down, bounce back up. Okay. And then you begin the descent. So boom, 2 days down, bounce back up, and I believe you begin the descent. You can see it's a very, very similar pattern. Okay. And obviously this is coming in the downtrend of the bear market. So MACD coming down, fucking a 20% bear market bounce into major resistance here. Guys, this is a beautiful short selling setup right here, okay? Right into resistance, 20% bear market bounce, okay? In a downtrend with this pattern repeating of this big bounce, top, dip for 2 days, top, dip for 2 days, bounce back up, and the descent lower. Okay, so this is what I believe we're going to see here for the coming months. Once again, give or take 9 days from today, whether it's 9 days before or 9 days ahead of us, we are within the vicinity. We are within the realm of the top. Okay, it's somewhere around here, I believe, and that's why I'm so excited. So a lot of money to be made on the short side, and there's going to be a lot more money to be made when we switch bullish and actually start buying the shit out of the market. Okay, I've posted my prediction on Twitter when I think we're going to bottom. If you're not following me on Twitter, you should. Crashes Clay 69. You see, I was explaining this today in our Telegram alerts, but if you make $10,000 shorting the market, okay, now you got $10,000 more than you would have had. Now with that $10,000, if you can go buy, some coins down near the lows and you 10x, okay, which if you don't think it's possible to 10x, then you're a stock person, you're not a crypto person. Okay, in crypto, 10x is a very normal thing if you buy near the lows in a bear market. Okay, so if you can make a $10,000 profit thanks to the bear market, and then you can reinvest that for the bull market, this $10,000 profit enabled you to make over $100,000. Okay, the problem is most people aren't making profit during the bear market. They're losing money during the bear market, so they don't have this incredible effect of being able to make 10,000 and turn that into 100,000 during the bear market. Okay, so if you're not making money during the bear market, then you're missing out on hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, literally. And that's why we love shorting the market. And then I can't wait to get bullish again on the market and switch bullish here. Okay, so like I said, I've showed you my prediction on Twitter. I think we're going to set a bottom between September and December this year. But the thing is, I'd say September is a little, it's less likely to be September. It's less likely to be October. I'd say it's looking more like November, December, which honestly, I feel like that's a very common opinion, to be honest. So it's kind of interesting. Usually the most common opinion isn't the right one, but based on the charts and what I'm seeing, I do believe November, December this year is a likely time to bottom, or I do see April of next year being kind of like that latest we would need to find a bottom. So that's just my opinion, and I honestly feel like my opinion here as the greatest predictor ever is kind of a pretty popular opinion, honestly, for people who are trying to predict when the bottom would be. I think a lot of people would honestly think the same, which that's the one thing that worries me, is usually if many people think the same thing, it's probably not going to happen. So that's one thing I'll say about my prediction. But at the end of the day, I don't base my predictions on what other people think or say. I base my predictions on what I see in the charts, and that's what I see. Okay, so follow me on Twitter if you're not already, and of course, look, down to 16,400 to 13,200, guys. We got downside. Okay, we got a lot of money to make over the next months. Okay, so I hope you're ready. Okay, I hope you're ready, and if you're not, get ready. Join today. Send us your user ID on Bitget when you set up an account under the Crash Trading link. Send us your user ID on the Crash Trading Telegram bot. Send that over to our support email. We'll get you into Crash Alerts for a month for completely free. And let's make some money, guys. I'm looking forward to it. The next leg down is here. Like I said, I believe it's within 9 days of today, give or take. 9 days back was it? Or 9 days forward is it? But overall, boom, I believe we're heading lower. Okay, so yeah, I'd say October, November, December is a likely bottom point. And guys, what I'll say is honestly, if we are out here in October down at like 16K or getting around here, like from October forward, I would just start buying. Obviously, I'm going to keep you up to date on my channel. I'm going to be telling you when I'm bullish and all that. Obviously, you guys know I'm the one who predicted this crash and called the dump from 57K down to 47K. Short at the top is 69K. Called the dump down to 20K. And so much more, guys. Go back on the channel. When I say this shit, I'm not BSing you. I'm not a channel that says it could go up or it could go down or it could go sideways. No, I tell you exactly what I think is going to happen. And I think over the next few months, we're going to be coming down. And we're going to be coming to my bottom targets. All right, guys. Take advantage of this crazy offer and, thing that Bitget has put together for everyone here. And let's make some money. I'm looking forward to it, guys. See you later. Bye.